Welcome down to the third Business Events Tribal Meet, also best known as TriBE Assembly, right here in Pullman, Kuching. So today's theme for TriBE Assembly is called Reimagine Our Future. And the two main topics are legacy impact of business events and sustainability. Please welcome BE Sarawak CEO, Amelia Raziman.
Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to have you with us today. Sarawak is now settling the path for the sector in Malaysia by being the first destination in Malaysia to embark on the Global Destination Sustainability Index for business events and tourism. For us in BE Sarawak, by positioning Sarawak as legacy and sustainability-driven destination, it will help us to secure 1,245 business events by 2030. We will measure events' success by its legacy and economic impact and have them aligned to any of the 6 economic areas and 7 enablers under PCDS 2030 and 17 UN SDGs.
I stress that business events are important, and what adds more value to Sarawak is to leverage the legacy impact that conventions, meetings, and other knowledge events bring to the table. Of course, my ministry will support by allocating funding in 2023 to develop the long-term strategy plan for legacy sustainability in Sarawak.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's reimagine the future and let's get inspired together.